What's going on, guys? Chandler come back at you from Easy Stock. Today we're going to be going over some of my favorite stocks to buy right now that are still undervalued. And without further ado, let's get right into it with stock number one. Alright guys, so our first stock here is going to be RWT, or the Redwood Trust stock. So basically this is a real estate investment trust company, and it got hit extremely hard with the impact of Corona because, not most people investment rates drop down near zero now, so it's starting to make that comeback. You can see from this trend line here, starting to make that upwards trend. So I bought in a couple days ago around that 650 mark, and I've already made a good little chunk there, 50-cent gain, which is pretty good chunk of the profit. But if things go back to normal, if we take a look at the 5-year growth market, this thing has been steady and stable up there around the 16-17 mark. So making that huge upwards trend here with a 5-year line, even with a 1-year line, it's making a pretty drastic change up. So this is just a great one. It's also got a pretty fat dividend yield. That dividend yield of 17%, making it look pretty appetizing for me, and I still think this is one of the most undervalued stocks you can find. All right, so the next stock we got going on is NYMT, or the New York Mortgage Trust. This is another real estate investment trust company that's also been on a pretty steady uptrend here these past couple months. Looking at the chart here, you can see that little steady upgrowth. Right now, it just took one of those dips. The RSI was hitting pretty high, so it dipped back down. So this is another good fair value trade right now, according to RSI. It seems to have a little bit of a downward trend right now, but that seems to be fading away, getting smaller and smaller with the MACD, not the MDAT, but the MACD. So now looking at the big 1-year chart, you can see the growth is starting to take off here, trading around normally around $6, $6.50 or so. Right now it's sitting at $2. So looking to triple your money if all things go according to plan. Obviously, these ones are going to take a little longer to grow up, but as it grows up, don't worry, you got a fat 28% dividend yield with this stock. So no worries, if you're holding this, you're going to make a big chunk of change. All right, guys, the last stock we're going to be talking about is NCLH, or Norwegian Cruise Lines. This one currently trading for about $19.50 here. You can see, obviously, the travel industry was hit really hard with this last coronavirus little swing. Taking a look at the past 3 months or so, you can see a very, very steady gain throughout the month, all the way down to $7.20 up to $19. So already over tripling, or almost tripling your money, 2.5 times. Taking a look at the 1-month chart here, 1241 is where we start off, and already up about $7 or so, with a peak at 26.86. Obviously, you can tell from the RSI and the MACD that was going to be a nice little sell-off point, and it dropped all the way down to $17, still up about $2, and it's taking a little bit of a dip here. So really good opportunity to get into this stock as well. So unfortunately, there is no dividend here for this stock, but over the past month, it's been up about 63%. Obviously, we saw that huge spike a couple weeks ago. And then about a week ago, we're still up about 15% or so from that $16.87 mark up to that $19. But if you would have sold up here, you'd have been making a fat chunk of change. But still, good opportunity. We just had this big dip, the RSI indicating that it's just above that fair value mark here. So obviously a great time to get in. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed these top 3 stocks I got for the week. If you guys did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up. Helps me out so much. Still starting to grow out here. If you guys aren't following my TikTok, make sure to follow it below. Also join our Discord server so you stay up to date with those stocks as well. See you guys in the next episode. Have a great day. Peace.